things that is expected of us as a county government. Mr. Speaker, what I want to finalize by saying is that I have a lot of respect for all of our colleagues here. But Mr. Speaker, it is becoming increasingly evident to me that I might be a marked man in this house. That, Mr. Speaker, every time that I stand up here, I have even had somebody who I know for a fact cannot beat me in a fair fight, challenging me to a fight, Mr. Speaker.
Sifuna.
It is very unfair.
Senator Sifuna.
Yes.
It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that.
Senator Sifuna, you know the responsibility of protecting a senator lies in the hands of the chair. If you feel you've been marked, you can only address your concerns to the chair. Throwing similar jabs on the other side, because you've been, and I ruled that particular statement unparliamentary, but still you're clinging on it.
No, Mr. Speaker, because a threat has been made.
It has been withdrawn. So conclude your remarks and sit.
Mr. Speaker,
it's no longer subject of discussion. It has been withdrawn.
Mr. Speaker, if you allow me, because I've asked you to protect me on many occasions, I want to ask that on this one, please don't protect me. I would want to welcome that challenge that has been put by the Senator.
Senator.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Senators, Senator Sifuna, you know, you've alluded to the fact that you're the senator who attracts the most points of order. And you remember when you're contributing, I cautioned you, asked you the way you're contributing may either open yourself to these points of order or it may insulate you from these points of order. Your parting shot clearly is unparliamentary and uncalled for, because you're responding to a statement that is no longer part of the record of the Senate. It has been withdrawn. Why then proceed to respond to it? So the way we debate will either allow your colleagues to give you silence as you prosecute your comments, or it will open a lot of points of order, just the way you contribute. So look into your eyes before you look into the eyes of your colleagues. But otherwise, the chair will be here to give you what it gives to all other senators, protection. Senator Karungo.